Welcome back. Let's beginning with Linux Challenge 4. Some of our apps generate some raw data and store the same in /home/bob/preserve directory. We want to clean and manipulate some data and then want to create an archive of that data. Note, the validation will verify the final processed data, so some of the tests might fail till all data is processed as asked. Inspect the requirements in detail by clicking on the icons of the interactive architecture diagram on the right and complete the task. Two, the bottom half of the interface contains the terminal which you will use to complete the tasks. If you are visiting for the first time or haven't subscribed yet, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more posts. Happy learning! The first step is to become root. I have created the individual steps in the blog that is given in the description box. I am going to run the entire lab task in automated script. You will get scripted commands from the Git repo. Kindly refer to the link given in the description box. If you have any issues, feel free to connect with me by online support chat on my blog. All the best! To validate if a task is complete, you can click on the check button. If complete, the icons in the architecture diagram will be highlighted in green. If something is yet to be completed, it will be highlighted in red. To complete the challenge, you must complete all the tasks.